closed.
It's okay. That's why they're all closed. Oh.
Ooh. Good morning, YouTube. I've got Austin's transmission loaded up, headed out to pick him up, and we're gonna go to TJ's Transmissions in Leesburg. This is really rolling the dice for me. I mean, I just called some places and this guy sounded like he knew what he was talking about. Price was reasonable. He's been in Leesburg 30 years. We gotta hope for the best, and we'll use our judgment once we get there. And if we get a bad feeling, we'll try somewhere else. Okay, so we're here, and I'm gonna back the truck up so he can look at the transmission. Man, I hope this isn't, oh, the shop's kind of legit.
Yeah, this is the one for your son.
That's it. This is actually my son.
Right?
He's 18, he doesn't look it, but...
I've been right here 30 years. I can take one apart.
What?
You know how long that was up you?
Oh, no, I do know.
Hours or days?
I think it took me 3 days doing a few hours in a day to get it marked back together.
Third gear went out.
What?
Third gear clutches are, and instead of looking like that, they should look more like those. See how thick those are?
Yeah.
See how those are down to the metal and warping?
Yeah.
Because it's running metal to metal. I work for Amco, and I run National Transmission Auto Repair in Orlando for a few years.
The scooter's cool. Alright. Well.
That was a lot of money. Hurt my soul a little bit on the inside. But it's okay. It's all okay.
Yeah, cool new job making money. Oh, there it all goes.
Yeah, basically. But he was cool. He seemed like he knew what he was talking about. So.
Yeah, he did. He has been here forever. I mean, he took that thing apart like it was nothing.
Oh, nothing, yeah.
I don't know. Now we just have to hope we don't get screwed. I mean, that's really what it comes down to. You never know. I mean, he did offer a warranty with it, but you know, when I was talking to him on the phone, like 12 months or something, I'm sure if I brought it back up there and bitched enough, he would.
Yeah.
Alright. But not only that, he doesn't have very many reviews on Google. Like, if I give him a good review, that'll really help him out. Like, he doesn't know that. I probably maybe should have said something.
Yeah.
And if I give him a bad review, it'll crush him. Like, he's an old school guy, and when I told him I found him on Google, he's like, oh wow, that does work. So he's an old school guy. He doesn't really realize that how powerful the internet tools are. So hopefully he treats us good and does us a good turn, and then we can do him a good turn on social, on Google Maps and stuff. Yeah, on the intranets. So I don't know. He said it'll be done tomorrow. Like, it's crazy. It took me like 3 days just to get it apart and semi back together.
It hurts me as a car guy to pay somebody else to do car work for me.
Oh, absolutely.
And have him be like, oh yeah, I'll do it tonight. Yeah, it'll be done tomorrow morning.
Absolutely. Like, it's no big deal.
Ugh.
Oh well. So to ease the pain of potentially getting screwed over by the transmission guy, we're gonna get Firehouse. Whole snap. Shooter's World, guns, range, and training coming soon. All about that. almost every time I go through Wildwood, I have to stop at the drive-thru. If that ever closed down, I'll be really sad. All right, so I'm gonna do one more thing on the truck today. And I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be like a pimple. Like that might gross out some people, but I think popping them is so satisfying. I feel like this might be like that to a point. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that freeze plug there. Oh, sweet Jesus. Well, you get the idea, but now I need 2 hands. Lighting is not gonna do it justice. Yummy. Okay, so now a quick run, and then I will go get the freeze plug to install in the truck. But got to get the half marathon training in